Greetings, single and married people. Today, we're doing another, say it with me, legit food review. In this food review, we're going to be reviewing some flaming hot Cheetos. Okay, guys? Some flaming hot Cheetos, bro. Dude, another open bag, bro. One day I'm gonna find the dude who's eating all this shit, and I'm gonna give him one of these. 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Anyways, then we are going to be eating a Nutty Buddy. Now, don't ask me what they do. Don't ask me what they do in their free time, but anyways. And then lastly, we're going to be trying a Kool-Aid jammer. Kool-Aid. It's blue raspberry, so it's gotta be good. But yeah, let's start off with the Nutty Buddy. I don't know about y'all, but if that was my nickname in school, I don't know whether to like that or not. Alright, whoa. It's got a strong peanut buttery smell to it. Oh, and there's 2 of them. So it's like, or it's like a big Kit Kat. I don't know. Let's see. Let's eat one. All right. I may need to find this man. It almost tastes like Reese's peanut butter pieces as a bar. You know, like Reese's Pieces, like M&Ms, but Reese's Pieces. It tastes like those, but like in a full-size bar. And those actually aren't that bad. I'll give that like a, I'm gonna give it like a 7. Why not? Now, if I couldn't pick 7, I'd probably lean towards 6. I'd give it a 6. So, let's try these flaming hot Cheetos, guys. Let's see, bro. All right, so they're red, like a flaming hot Cheeto or something, is what I'm assuming. You know, I've never had these before. It's actually not that bad. They're crunchy too. So you know that makes it even better. No, these actually aren't that bad. Guys, putting these in your ramen. Look, I know everyone glazes putting a raw egg in it. Crush some of these bad boys up. Buy those little packs, all right, that you give to like your little kids in like 1st grade, all right? And then just crush it up, dump it all in, mix it up, and boom, it's heaven. But these actually aren't that bad. I'll give them like an 8.5. They're actually not that bad. Anyways, now let's try this Kool-Aid jammer. It's blue raspberry, so it should be good. I mean, it's Kool-Aid, so you never know, brother. Let's see. You can tell they're for kids, bro. Because there's really, like, no flavor. It's really, like, it's not that good. Give it like a 5, bro. I don't know. Maybe if I made it better, then it would be better. Anyways, guys, that is going to do it for this food review. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and leave your favorite snacks to eat at 2 a.m. Peace.